Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with another drawing video. I usually show you guys a canvas at the beginning of these videos to show you what we're gonna draw, but I really wanted to do my teacup puppy today. And I think I accidentally left my teacup puppy over at my friend Valerie's sewing studio. We were going to do a pup in a cup event, and she still has my painting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to draw this without looking at my painting. So to start our puppy in a cup, I need to start with the puppy's face. So for the puppy's face, I'm just gonna draw a big circle just like that. So after you have your big circle, we're gonna do the snout of the puppy. So the snout of the puppy is just a circle like this, kind of at the bottom of the circle. So there's got the big circle and you've got a little circle down here. And then the puppy's nose is gonna be inside that little circle. And I'm gonna color it in black, but I'm gonna leave a little sparkle in there first. So I got a little shiny spot on my puppy's nose. And then after you have your nose done, we're gonna do our swoopy, whoopy mouth. And some of my friends that have dogs say that their dogs always have their tongues hanging out. So if you wanna put a little tongue hanging out of your puppy's mouth, that's fine. After you have your puppy's mouth done, we're gonna go ahead and put our puppy's eyes on. So I'm gonna do my usual really big cutie eyes. So I draw really big circles like this, and then another circle, and another circle. And then I'm gonna add a little sparkle, like that. And then I'm gonna color in the rest of that middle of the eye with black. So there's our little puppy's face, but we need some ears on this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead. Now puppies have lots of different, there's so many different kinds of puppies, so many different kinds of puppy ears. So you can make yours pointy ears if you want. Some dogs have little short floppy ears. Some have long floppy ears. Some have curly ears. So you guys can make this look like whatever kind of puppy you want. I'm gonna do my ears kind of long and floppy, like this. And then if you want to put something on your puppy's head, you can. I'm a big fan of the birthday party hat. And I always draw my birthday party hats with these same details. I just think these party hats are so cute, like that. Okay, so my puppy's at a party. So after you have your puppy's face done, we've got to put this puppy in a teacup. So I'm gonna put one paw like that, tucked under one chin. So it's just a curve like this. Here, so we got a curve over here and a curve over here. And then to finish off our puppy's hands, because they're perched right on the edge of that cup, I'm gonna do a swoop, and a swoop, and a swoop. 3 little puppy toes. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. So after we have our puppy's paws done, we're gonna go ahead and start on our cup. So the edge of the cup is gonna start kind of over here, and it's gonna go around and crash into this paw, crash into that paw, and around. And right now we have the puppy's head and we have the puppy's paws, but we don't have the puppy's body. I'm not gonna see very much of the puppy's body because my ears are covering some of it up, but I do wanna put just a little hint of the puppy's body falling into the cup. So we have the edge of the cup, but we need the rest of the cup. So let's draw our big letter U, like that. And then after you have your big letter U, we've got our cup, but our cup needs a handle. So we're gonna go ahead and put a handle on this teacup. And then we can decorate it any way that we want. So a lot of times I'll do stripes or polka dots, but you guys can put hearts or stars or whatever you want. I think I'm doing polka dots today. This looks good. A bunch of polka dots. Okay, that is perfect. So my cup is done, my pup is done, and now I just need a line for the table. So after you get to this point, you guys can color this puppy in a cup any way that you want. So if you want to draw like normal puppy colors, you can make it like brown or gray. I, a lot of times, like to draw like fun colors for my puppies. So I might make my puppy, maybe pink. Yeah, I think pink and purple maybe. I don't know if any of you guys know those dolls called Beanie Boos. One of my daughters collects them, and I think she has a puppy Beanie Boo, like little doll, that is similar to this. I think it's like pink, and it might have like purple ears, I think, and it's super cute. So I might do my puppy really colorful. But again, you know, this is kind of a fun lesson where you guys, if you have a dog at home, you can make it your puppy sitting in a cup. So you can make it look a little fluffier. If you have a fluffy puppy, you can make it a little, like the hair a little like pointier, like a little shaggier. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna do my paws pink too, and I'll do my ears purple. But you guys can go ahead and finish, oh, and the tongue. You guys can go ahead and finish this drawing any way that you want. I will continue posting these art videos on YouTube every day at 1 p.m. So I hope that you guys will be back to join me again tomorrow to paint something new.